Site reliability engineers, SREs, are responsible for ensuring the reliability, availability, and performance of software systems and services in large-scale, production environments. SREs bridge the gap between software development and operations by applying engineering principles to operations tasks. Here are the key roles and responsibilities of an SRE. Service reliability: ensure the reliability and availability of critical software systems and services, with a focus on minimizing downtime and service disruptions. Service level objectives: SLOs define and establish SLOs for services, which are specific, quantifiable targets for reliability and performance. Monitor and report on adherence to these objectives. Incident management: respond to and resolve incidents that impact system availability or performance. Implement effective incident management processes and post-incident reviews to prevent recurrence. Automation: develop and maintain automation tools and scripts to streamline operational tasks, such as deployment, configuration management, and monitoring. Capacity planning: monitor and analyze system resource usage to forecast capacity needs and scale systems accordingly to handle traffic and workload growth. Fault tolerance: implement strategies and mechanisms to build fault-tolerant systems, such as redundancy, failover, and graceful degradation. Performance optimization: identify and address performance bottlenecks in software and infrastructure to improve system efficiency and responsiveness. Infrastructure as code: IAC use infrastructure automation and IAC principles to manage and provision infrastructure resources reliably and consistently. Monitoring and alerting: define and implement effective monitoring and alerting solutions to proactively detect and address issues before they impact users. Use tools like Prometheus, Grafana, and others. Capacity planning: monitor system resource utilization and plan for capacity upgrades or adjustments to meet growing demands. Security: collaborate with security teams to ensure that systems are designed and operated with security in mind. Implement security best practices, vulnerability management, and incident response plans. Emergency response: participate in on-call rotations to respond to system outages and emergencies, ensuring 24/7 coverage for critical services. Change management: assess the impact of changes, example, code deployments, infrastructure changes, on system reliability and coordinate with development teams to minimize risks during releases. Documentation: maintain comprehensive documentation of system architecture, configurations, and operational procedures to facilitate knowledge sharing and troubleshooting. Disaster recovery: develop and test disaster recovery plans and backup strategies to ensure data and service availability in the event of catastrophic failures. Collaboration with development: work closely with software development teams to promote the use of best practices that enhance reliability, such as designing for operability and reliability. Continuous improvement: continuously analyze system performance and reliability data to identify areas for improvement and optimization. Implement iterative improvements to enhance system resilience. Onboarding and training: assist in onboarding new SRE team members and provide training to other teams on SRE principles and best practices. Service ownership: take ownership of services and their reliability, collaborating with product owners and developers to align on priorities and improvements. Compliance and compliance automation: ensure that systems meet regulatory and compliance requirements. Automate compliance checks where possible. SREs play a crucial role in modern, complex, and highly dynamic IT environments, where reliability and availability are paramount. They use a combination of software engineering, automation, and operational expertise to achieve the goal of maintaining highly reliable and performant systems.